Theories of everyday life and science. Seeing the forest for the trees. Jogging can be a healthy activity, at least if done properly. Movement strengthens our joints and muscles, improves our cardiovascular fitness, and boosts our metabolism. But how often should we go jogging? 3 hours once per week, or 12 hours in one go once per month? People who listen to their body or to fitness experts know that exercise is all about moderation and rhythm. 30 minutes of cardiovascular exercise per day is the magic number, plus 1 hour of strength training 2 to 3 times per week if your goal is to be fitter and healthier. Whether we're talking about jogging, eating fruits and vegetables, or brushing our teeth, we can't describe anything simply as healthy. What matters instead are form, rhythm, and amount. This is what life experience and common sense tell us, what we learn from theories of everyday life. Once learned, never forgotten. You can have too much of a good thing, and everything in moderation are some of the concise bits of wisdom from everyday life that are passed down to us. People who are familiar with these live a healthier lifestyle because they don't overdo it when they come across the latest sports trend, exotic food, or new and improved hygiene measure. In everything that we do, we unconsciously apply the theories of everyday life that we have gathered until now, and we test the everyday life hypotheses derived from them. For example, if I once ate 1 kilo of strawberries in one sitting and had a terrible stomachache afterwards, then I would know that I should stop after the first bowl of blueberries. Theories are attempts to explain general principles or correlations, and they follow the pattern. Almost always if X, then Y. Almost always if I overdo something, then it goes from something good to something bad. The word theory comes from the Greek 𝘭𝘭𝘰𝘬𝑚, which means to look at from a distance. The word hypothesis is also of Greek origin, and it literally means putting or placing under. A hypothesis is a supposition, an assumption about a logical correlation. For example, if X, then consequently Y. If I eat too many blueberries, I'll have a stomachache. Hypotheses are derived from previous observations or theories. General theories, such as whenever people overdo something, there are drawbacks, or concrete theories, such as whenever people overeat something, their digestive system protests. Knowing this, then the following has to apply. If I eat too many blueberries, then I'll consequently have indigestion. While lay people develop theories from our everyday life experiences, scientists develop theories from empirical knowledge. Empirical comes from the Greek word 𝘮𝑚piria, which means knowledge based on systematic observation of the world. They derive hypotheses from this empirical knowledge, which they then investigate and validate in real life. But in contrast to everyday life, scientists pursue hypotheses in a systematic manner, describing and substantiating every step along the way. Good theories help us see beyond what's immediately in front of us, allowing us to view the entire forest instead of not being able to see the forest for the trees. Because if that happens when you're jogging, you could easily find yourself lost in the woods.